गुड आफ्टरनून स्टूडेंट्स। हमने आई हैव टॉट यू ऑल द 5 चैप्टर्स ऑफ फिजिकल एजुकेशन एंड द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर इज चैप्टर 6 and that is a lengthy chapter. So right now I am not starting chapter number 6 and I am moving to chapter number 7, and that chapter name is National Games. I have written on this paper National Games. Okay, so first topic which is related to this chapter is national events. I have written here national events. So national means, national will be related to the country. Which is our country? India. Okay, so events means, what do you mean by events? Events means whatever things you participate, like in schools we have a lot of events like farewell, like celebration of Teachers Day. Okay, and even Children Day is celebrated. So even marriages at home, you attend the marriages. So birthday parties, all these and even such examples which will be considered in events. Okay, so I can categorize all these things in events, but these are not national events. These are events related to school or your life. Okay, so here we are talking about national events. So what is national events? So you should be knowing about it. So national events will be those things which will be related to the country, and all of us belong to a same country, that is India. So what are the events which are included in the national events of the country? So if I want to define national events, I will say that national events means the events which are celebrated by the whole country, at same time. Like if you are attending a marriage or a birthday party of your friend, and you are in our state like J&K, and one of your friend is in Kerala, but he won't be doing or enjoying the same thing. Maybe he's enjoying a celebration party of a marriage. So at J&K you will be enjoying a birthday party, but a person which is your friend in Kerala, that is in the India only, he will be enjoying a marriage. So both are enjoying an event, but they are different. So in national event, what will be national event? National event will be that in which are celebrated by the whole country at the same time. If I would like to say in other words, or in easy words, I would like to say the events which all the people of the country take part actively. That means if there is a birthday party and if I want to make it a national event, then if I am celebrating it in J&K, it must be celebrated in Kerala also, in Assam also, in all over the country. If a birthday party is celebrated in whole country at the same time, then it will be called as national event, but it won't happen. Okay, so there are only 2 national events. Okay, so the national events related to our country are 2, that is Independence Day, and the second national event is Republic Day. Okay, so there are 2 events which is celebrated या which are celebrated in the country. So national events में क्या 2 चीज़ें आएंगी बच्चे? National event में first will be Independence Day and second will be Republic Day. Okay, so आपका जो चैप्टर है नेशनल गेम्स, तो उससे पहले हम नेशनल इवेंट्स करेंगे, इन दोनों को डिस्क्राइब करेंगे और उसके बाद नेशनल गेम्स पे आ जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो अब ये जो चैप्टर है बच्चे नेशनल इवेंट्स, अब मैं इसका अगला टॉपिक आपका लूँगा, दैट इज़ आई एम गोना टीच यू व्हाट इज़ इंडिपेंडेंस डे एंड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स रिलेटेड टू दैट, एंड द सेकेंड थिंग विल बी रिपब्लिक डे एंड व्हाट आर द टॉपिक्स रिलेटेड टू दैट. So this Independence Day I will take in my next lecture. Thank you.